Hey, Mr. Maduk. So basically, if you want to update the content on your website, basically you log in on this page as I showed you. Click login. So this is what you get when you log in the first time. So let's say you want to change the children's stories right here. It's on the front end side of the site. Let's say you wanted to update Maduk Cha. You want to put some more information here. So you go back to the back end, you click the children's stories, and then Maduk Cha is right there. So when you put your mouse over here, it shows you this edit, quick edit, trash and view. So you click edit. So then it gives you the information of Maduk Cha. So maybe you wanted to call Maduk Jock or something, Maduk Jock, or maybe you say you want to change this information to something else. You can select that and delete that and say this is more information about Maduk Jock. This is the story. Okay, that's an example. So you can type in whatever you want there. So type in, then the photo is down here. So if you want to change the photo, just click add file here. If you want to use a photo that we have already uploaded, you click media library here, then it will show you all the pictures that are in here. Let's say you want to use maybe a different photo. Assume you want to use this. You say this is Maduk. Let's try this child here, a different child. You say add file. So it comes right here. So if you say update, then you go back here on this page, you refresh, you'll see the photo has changed there, and then that information that I typed is right there. This button you click, if you say that you have more text, it will show you now. It will take you that specific profile of that specific child. So that's how you update the stories. So let's go back here. If you want to change our team, say right here, our team right there, say you want to add somebody here. See, right now you have only one person. You already have this applied. Maybe also you can add, say add new. You say maybe James, maybe a joke or something. You say this is the profile info. You can get this information from Facebook and just paste it in here. Then you can set the title. Maybe you can say this is the treasure, the treasure. So then you add the file. You want to select a photo of him. Maybe assume he's the one there. I'm choosing this photo for example. Or you can upload a new one right here. You say select files right there. Then it takes you to the computer. You choose a file. So right now let's use whatever is already there. Then click add file. So it comes there. Then you say publish. So it shows you we have added James a joke there. You see, it's right there. So I forgot to mention something on the stories. The way you add a new story is the same way I did on our team. So you gotta go to the children's stories. If you want to add a new child, you just click add new. Maybe you can say you have this is another child called maybe Jane Mabio, like that, something like that. So you say you add more information about Jane here, more information about Jane. So then you come here, you choose Jane's photo. Let's say we are using from the media library. Assume like we want to use maybe I'm just gonna choose a photo here. I'll assume maybe this is Jane on this photo here, but I assume we had one separate photo. You just select it, it comes there, then you say publish. So if you refresh here, you'll notice that down here you see now it has brought that Jane Mabio. Assume that's the child you wanted to highlight, but I also just use a separate photo. So that's how you add the stories, just the way you do for the team. So the presentation is the same thing. You click there, you say add new presentation. You type the title of the presentation there. You say presentation presentation 10. Maybe you add another presentation 10. You say maybe this is more about fundraising. And I told you how you get a video there. You go to youtube.com, assume you want to put a video there. I'm gonna assume, I don't know if there a video here. I'm gonna just test with a video maybe of Elon Musk. Let me use Elon Musk as an example. So I'll say you click on the share button right there, you say embed. Remember I showed you this, you click there, you say copy. You come here, you say maybe you want to talk about something Elon Musk did, you know. You can, sorry, I forgot something. You need to switch. Let me remove this. Before you do that, click on the text option before you put a video here, then you paste. And now you click back. You see that video comes there. Now if you want to type something more about the video, type it below here. More about this video. Right, like that. So then you just come here and publish. And now if you go to, you want to view this presentation, as I told you, just click on this link like this. It takes you to the presentation page right here. So if you want to change, you can still go back and edit it. So but that's how you put a presentation. So financials, let's say you have a file that you wanted to add. Let's say you wanted to add another, like a new file. If you want to delete, you can also use this trash thing here. Like let's say you don't want this donor list, you can trash it, but if you want, you can bring it back. If you forgot, you can choose restore here and then it comes back like that. So you go back here, publish, then it's where is it, or let's see, I think it's in a draft right now. Yeah, let's say you have to highlight it, then you click publish, then it comes with the published list like that. So you go back, but now the way you add a file, because we are talking about these financials here, if you look at the front end, this is what I'm talking about here. If you want to put a file that somebody can download, you just go here and say add new. Let's say maybe Grand Rapids fundraising. You want to add a file that somebody can download, you just go here and say add file there, select a file. Let's say I select one of these files here. It's kind of an example of a file, you know, it's just a PDF that's just picked up from my computer. So you just click add file, so it's right there, then you say publish. So if you click here and refresh this page, the Grand Rapids coming, you see the Grand Rapids fundraising now is here. You click download, it will download that file. Wow, this is a file that I put in there. This is not the fundraising file, so I guess you will understand. It's just for testing, So I think that's all you need to do for the forms. If you want, let's say there's something I wanted to show you. Somebody sends you a message on the form. Let's say somebody types a message in here and says maybe its name is maybe Joe Smith. Joe Smith wants to contact you, joesmith@gmail.com. Then he says, hi Maduk, I want to meet with you and make a donation. So something like that. So he says submit. So that message, you say thank you. Message goes to the back. So I want to show you how to get this message that was typed here in the back of the website. You go to right back there, you go to forms, then you click contact us form here. You can click entries, or you can just come simply and click right here on these entries here. So you click right there, so you will see the Joe Smith is back here. The one I just typed is right here. So you know, this is somebody who was typing. There's a lot of junk messages in here, so really you don't worry about them. So some of these you can trash them, you know. You can trash this if you don't like the message you see here. But the one I sent about Joe Smith is right here, you see. So that's how you see your messages. If somebody contacts you, you have to log in back there. Sorry, I need to go to trash. trash. These are junk messages, so we're gonna leave those ones are nice only. Like this was a test I did here, and this is, I think you did also one here. So basically, so all messages will come here under entries, forms entries. So we talked about this application form, we're gonna do that later. So but that's how you get the entries. So even applications, when they come in, they're gonna come under entries, so click there and view them. So I think that's all I wanted to share with you. Otherwise, I hope this video is helpful. So for the pages, these pages, let's say you wanted to update the about us content right here, this content right here, I showed you. You just need to click about us, edit. You have to hover your mouse to click edit, and then the content is right here. You can change it right there. And that photo I told you is here, right down here. You can click replace image. This photo here is what's here, so you can click down there and replace it. So otherwise, that's how you change all the pages. Any page, that's how you edit it. All these pages here, you just do the same thing. That's how you edit it. Now for the photo gallery here, if you want to change photos or add photos in this gallery here, you just go here on the robo gallery right there. So you just click right there, you click edit, and then you see it gives you this. So you click on any of these pictures, then it will allow you to either add pictures or delete pictures. So let's say you want to add one more photo to the gallery about this chat here. So I don't know if it's a good example, but maybe let me add him to the gallery. Say add gallery, so it's right there. So it's right there. You say update gallery, so then you say update right there too, right there. Now if you refresh here, you see that photo will come here. It's right here. See that? It's right there. So that's how you change the photo gallery. So for everything here, I believe now you know how to do it. So this donate button is the one we changed. So this one you don't need to do anything about it, but there's a page in here for donation too. You want to change something there, like let's go to pages. Let's say you wanted to, this donate right there. Right now we have a PayPal button, so if you wanted, let's say, to add some text here, you can come and this text you can come and type up here. Don't mess up with this button, because this is the one that displays. This when you click, it goes to the donate page right here on PayPal. This right here. So that's all I wanted to share with you. Otherwise, I hope this video helps you to navigate and update the website. All right, thank you, Maduk.